The weather now, it seems like we certainly, even though we still have flooding in some areas that we have to deal with, Annalise, at least in terms of storm surge and wind damage and things like that, it could have been so much worse in the Matagorda area than it's ended up being.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right, Karen. And so there are a lot of things we're thankful for, those things you named. The fact that the storm is actually moving, it's not moving fast, but the fact that it's moving is also a big plus for us as we're going to watch the storm exit Texas after today. If you missed it, the landfall did happen last night, closer to about 12:30 a.m. The Matagorda Peninsula, the eastern sides, about 10 miles southwest of Sargent Beach. So that was the official landfall. That's about 60 or so miles southwest of Houston. As we take a look right now, the core of the storm just southeast now of Houston, but the heavy rain has been long gone from Houston and Galveston. The heavier rain actually now more so in Louisiana. Lighter rain there around Beaumont, where we've seen Jason Allen out and about, but we're going to continue to watch the rain spread through the southeast, Louisiana, Mississippi, into Alabama as we kind of widen out the view. That expansive area of heavy rain will continue to soak the southeast really for the next couple of days, and they'll have to watch for some flash flooding in particular. But the storm continues to weaken. Every update right now, still a tropical storm, 45-mile-per-hour max sustained winds. Only moving off, though, at about 6 miles an hour. So we're watching that northeast track. It does take it eventually as we get into tomorrow and into Thursday, very slowly, just kind of meandering up through South Louisiana. And we're going to continue to watch that rain really impact that area. But I want to talk about what else is happening in the tropics. We have two other areas of concern. We could be talking about our next two named storms. Odette and Peter would be on deck for these storms. The first one just north of Turks and Caicos, 60% chance of developing in the next 5 days. And the other one has a 90% chance. So you can pretty much bank on this guy. This wave we're watching off the coast of Africa is likely to become a named tropical storm for us. So we'll continue to watch both of those areas. But for now, we're watching Nicholas, the impact across DFW. It's been one where we've seen humidity climb, these periods of heavy clouds kind of developing late morning and midday. We saw it yesterday, and we're seeing it again today. Dew point of 68, that temperature at 83. And you see our dew point numbers, the moisture is really on the high side, especially if you're east of I-35. So, of course, that's closer to the storm itself. That's the reason for that change. But we're going to see that humid feel for us through the day today. Doesn't feel so comfortable. It feels a little bit uncomfortable for you the farther off to the east that you go. Now, as we move on through the rest of today, we'll continue to watch as temperatures get into the mid to upper 80s for highs. 20% chance of rain. That's mostly well east of I-35. You can see it up around Sulphur Springs to Terrell to around Corsicana. Not a big chance, but a couple of really light passing showers will be possible. And then as we pass this evening, we'll continue to dry out and should really see mostly dry conditions Wednesday into the rest of the week. But then it starts to turn hot again as we get into the late week pattern. Friday, Saturday, mid to upper 90s. But maybe something to look forward to. I'm trying to be a little optimistic for us, Karen. I know we're getting later into September. And as I look ahead to late next week, I do see this really nice dip in the jet stream. That would be some fall air through the northern plains. So I'm going to be hopeful that maybe some of that air can make it to us by later next week. But as you see, we have some hot days to go before then.
Oh boy, yeah, we're so ready, Annalise. Thank you. We are ready.